Hi, a very good day for all of you. And today I will be talking about the power of subconscious, which I have done in detail in a more theoretical way. But today I will show you how, when applied, you will be able to realize your dreams. Power of subconscious has been dealt by Westerners, and we also feel, and your parents, your elders in your family might have told, pray, it will happen to you, pray, it will happen. When you pray, you are highly concentrated and you keep on repeating it that you want to get it right. The scientific analysis, I have done it in my previous video. You can subscribe to my channel and you will see all that, and you can listen and you can apply it if you are convinced of it. Here again, I want to tell you whatever I say is not advice. Let it be very right and correct and get it in you that it is a clarity which I want to share with all of you, and those who are not aware of it, bring awareness. Awareness is the greatest thing in life, and it brings lot of clarity and success. You would have found that people, some of them are very successful in life, is because they have already got clarity. As I told you, there are many types of intelligence. So one of them might have had it innate, that is inborn, so they are able to find success. But what happened to those who are not having it innate or not able to find clarity? That is where I come in. Because I'm a mentor by profession and my experience, I have found out that what are the areas of lacuna where a student finds it a success or not. I have also published a book on personality development many years back, and it was highly successful. But as I told you, it was a limited edition, and due to many reasons, I could not republish it. But I felt this is a better media which I can put it across and tell you what is the real success which required, or what is the area or a path when you take, you find it a success. See, success does not mean that you have to reach high echelons of your professional life or also even your personal life. Your success is ascertained by you. It is you who should ascertain what is success. For somebody, climbing up the ladder in the professional life is successful. For some, just chilling around and doing some meaningful things is also success. Each one's success measurement is different. As I told you, you have to find and make yourself a competitor in your life rather than comparing it with others. When you compare, invariably you will find that you are falling short. Everywhere, however successful a person may be, each one may find something they are falling short. That is not that way great leaders work. They keep themselves as a competitor. They create a unique space for themselves. That is why they are termed as contemporary. Nehru's contemporary was Kennedy. So like that, many others or leaders in the world, they all were contemporaries and they had a unique personality. Not that they were not having their own drawbacks. Drawbacks each one of us have. But how well we accentuate our positive qualities, that is how you see your personality. Your positive qualities should be there. Maybe you're a good writer, or you're a good speaker, as I told you, different intelligence. You're a sportsman, or whatever area, theoretically you're able to understand what it is, and put it across. Each one has got their own strength. You have to analyze and find out your strength and get what you want in life. Maybe a house, maybe a place, maybe going out, living in wilderness, anything. Each one their own. And when you ascertain what you want and achieve it, success is what you get. Like Chanakya told, you should be a leader. Always strive to be a leader, not a follower. You can create a unique space in this world and make it a happy and good one for you. All this can be attained by subconscious, power of subconscious. That is, when you keep on telling that in a day many times that I will get it, I will get it, I will get it, you are accentuating or making your subconscious very powerful. The brain part also I have talked, but rather I will talk in later of my videos, tell you that brain has got different areas, conscious mind and subconscious mind, different types of intelligence. So in a rough sketch I am giving you this. So conscious mind is when you are consciously doing something. Unconscious is like your heartbeat. You are not conscious of it, it happens. But when you are conscious, like you are eating, you are consciously eating, but your mind is running on some other thought and eating or doing an activity, that means you are unconsciously doing it. When you do a work unconsciously, there can be many mistakes or you may commit mistakes. That is why you have to concentrate. They say concentrate means consciously do it. So many of these students which I find are not able to finish their course or do what they want is because they are not consciously aware. That awareness is not there. Their mind is running simultaneously, adjacently and on the side, which is disturbing them and breaking their consciousness. But for once, if those who feel that you are working like this, bring back your consciousness. If you think for some time, bring it back, because like I told you, awareness or cognition is a better way to correct yourself, and also cognition, that is aware of your surrounding, also is considered a very big intelligence in today's world. And like I told you, consciousness is very important, and when you trigger your subconscious mind, you can change people, things, everything in life. You want it in this way. Be quiet, calm, and think in your mind. You need not share it with anybody. Think it in your mind that I will achieve it and it will happen, and it has happened. Be it Ambani, he is a father, the senior most Ambani, started from a street seller, but he had an ambition, and what a big ambition, just mind you, but he felt he will get it right. And today you see him there. And many actors and actresses, whomever you see, all have come through this mind power. Mind power, like I told you, with some intelligence which are innate, like intrapersonal, will be aware of it. But rest whose that intrapersonal is not so accentuated may not be aware. That is where I come in and tell you. So when you straighten your life by your awareness, you can start off from any day, any life and any age. You can make things right in your life, and I have done to many of my students and showed it to them. Those who have lost hope, I have shown them they can achieve it. One student wanted to go to foreign country and he wanted to settle there. His sister is settled there, but he could not get through because of his educational qualification. He had many failures, so he could not get admission in one of the colleges. With mind power may not really happen, but you have to work also. I showed him a way. I told him go to Singapore and from there cut your way to US, and today he is there in US doing very successfully. So each one has to think differently in a different angle. That is called lateral thinking. Even that I have got an episode. So when you subscribe, you will see it. If you find my video good, give me thumbs up so that I will be encouraged. And if you subscribe and share, it will reach to many people and it will be beneficial for them. And when you subscribe, you will see many of my previous videos of your interest. You can listen and consider or deliberate. Thank you. See you in the next video.